Presenting you Penbo Display newly finished jewelry stop that feature a brand new design and customized jewelry showcase. This stop feature a white and gold color scheme, combining a sense of luxury and elegance. We use several word display style for this shop, combining aesthetics appeal with durability. The display panel are made of tempered glasses, providing exceptional clarity and transparency to display each pieces of your jewelry. We support one-stop service from full-stop 3D rendering design to furniture customization and installation. Contact us for your jewelry shop design at any time.